To trade XAUUSD on Webull, you need to understand the basics of gold trading and the Webull platform. XAUUSD is the ticker symbol for gold priced in US dollars. Start by opening a Webull account and funding it with money. Once your account is set up, navigate to the search bar and type XAUUSD to find the gold market. Click on the result to open the gold chart and analysis page. Here you can view the current price, charts, and trading volumes. To place an order, click on the trade button and select the type of order you want to use. You can choose from market orders, limit orders, or stop orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current price, while a limit order will execute at a specified price. A stop order will execute when the price reaches a certain level. When trading XAUUSD, consider the market hours. As gold trades almost 24 hours a day, be aware of economic indicators and news that can impact gold prices, such as interest rates, inflation, and geopolitical events. To minimize risks, set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses if the price moves against you. You can also use take-profit orders to lock in gains when the price reaches a certain level. It is essential to have a trading strategy and stick to it. This could be based on technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or a combination of both. Webull provides various tools and indicators to help you analyze the market and make informed decisions. Finally, stay up to date with market news and analysis to stay ahead of the game. Webull offers a news feed and analysis from experienced traders and analysts. By following these steps and staying informed, you can successfully trade XAUUSD on Webull.